The 9 AI skills you need now to stay ahead of 97% of people. Gaining proficiency in fundamental AI abilities is critical for being competitive and relevant in the labor market in today's quickly changing technological environment. Professionals that can successfully use artificial intelligence will be in high demand as it gets more and more integrated into different businesses. From prompt engineering and data, storytelling to API integration and continuous learning. This guide outlines 9 essential AI abilities you should start honing right away. Number 9. Prompt engineering. With the emergence of generative AI models, such OpenAI's ChatGPT and others, prompt engineering has become more and more of a sophisticated talent. Creating inputs, questions, orders, or statements that direct AI systems to generate precise and pertinent outputs is the fundamental task of prompt engineering. The form, length, and context of a prompt can all have a big impact on how successful it is. A well-written prompt, for instance, can elicit responses that are logical and appropriate for the context. But a poorly structured or ambiguous prompt may produce responses that are irrelevant or illogical. Gaining proficiency in this area calls for a strong grasp of language and communication, in addition to knowledge of the AI model's architecture and capabilities. Iterative testing is a key component of prompt engineering, which entails creating a prompt, evaluating the outcomes, and improving the input in response to those findings. Number 8. AI-powered personal branding. Personal branding is crucial for professional success in the current digital world, and using AI tools can greatly improve this process. Developing a distinctive identity that appeals to your target market and embodies your professional values, abilities, and experiences is known as personal branding. From content production to social media analytics, AI can help with many facets of personal branding, enabling you to create an engaging self-story. Analytics technologies can offer insights into audience interaction and preferences, while AI-driven platforms can assist in creating blog pieces or social media updates that highlight your subject matter expertise. Knowing how to use these tools well entails establishing oneself strategically within your market, in addition to producing visually engaging material. This entails determining the main themes that complement your career objectives and making sure that they are consistent across all platforms, including personal websites, LinkedIn, and other social media networks. Additionally, being able to examine data regarding brand perception enables you to continuously refine and modify your approach. Using AI technologies to develop a strong personal brand will help you stand out from the competition, draw in new business, and establish a network that will help you advance your career. Number 7. Data storytelling and visualization. Data storytelling is a crucial ability that blends narrative approaches with data research to present information in an engaging and intelligible way. The ability to condense complex information into understandable narratives is crucial for guiding decision-making processes in an era where businesses are overloaded with data. Finding the most significant lessons from data analysis is the first step in creating an effective data narrative. After identifying these insights, the following stage is to develop a story around them that appeals to your audience and emphasizes their importance. This frequently entails creating graphs and charts that successfully depict trends and patterns using visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, or simply Excel. Number 6. Natural language processing. In artificial intelligence, natural language processing is a crucial field that aims to give machines the ability to meaningfully comprehend and interpret human language. A baseline understanding of natural language processing (NLP) is becoming more and more relevant across a variety of businesses as conversational interfaces, think chatbots for customer service, or virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa become more common. Key ideas including tokenization, sentiment analysis, semantic analysis, and named entity identification must be understood in order to fully comprehend NLP. Professionals can apply these ideas practically in projects meant to improve user interactions with technology if they are familiar with well-known NLP libraries like Natural Language Toolkit or Spacey. Businesses can employ natural language processing NLP, for instance, to automatically analyze customer comments or create chatbots that offer tailored answers to user inquiries. Experts in natural language processing NLP will be in a strong position to make a substantial contribution to initiatives that improve user experience and operational efficiency as businesses work to increase consumer engagement using NLP interfaces. Number 5. AI project management. The intricacy of AI technology and their deployment procedures create special problems for managing AI projects that set them apart from standard project management. In addition to technical expertise in data architecture and machine learning techniques, effective AI project management calls on strong leadership abilities to mentor cross-functional teams throughout the project lifecycle, from conception to deployment and beyond. This entails setting precise project goals that are in line with overall business objectives, creating schedules that take into consideration potential setbacks in the development of AI, efficiently managing budgets while making sure that resources are distributed among teams working on various project components, and making sure that ethical standards pertaining to the use of AI are followed at every stage of development. Number 4. Curiosity and continuous learning. Curiosity and a dedication to lifelong learning are crucial for professional development and adaptability in the rapidly evolving field of AI. Rapid advancements in the field are characterized by the frequent emergence of new algorithms, the rapid evolution of tools, the shifting of best practices as technology advances, and the ongoing debate of ethical issues surrounding the use of AI. To stay relevant, one must actively pursue opportunities for ongoing education through online courses, certifications from reputable institutions, workshops centered around particular technologies, or conferences where leaders in the industry share their insights into cutting-edge practices and emerging trends that will shape the future landscape of AI applications across various sectors. Participating in communities, whether via online forums like GitHub, where developers work together on open source projects, or local meetups centered around technology discussions, can also yield insightful information about new trends and create networking opportunities with peers who are as interested in developing their careers in this fast-paced, innovation-driven workplace as you are. Number 3. Data literacy. In today's data-driven world, where organizations heavily rely on analytics for decision-making processes at all levels, from strategic planning carried out by executive leadership teams to operational improvements at the ground level, the ability to read, comprehend, create, and communicate data effectively is referred to as data literacy. In addition to effectively interpreting complicated datasets, professionals need to be able to identify any biases that may be present in such datasets that could distort outcomes if ignored throughout analysis. This ability entails comprehending the different statistical techniques applied to the analysis of quantitative data, as well as qualitative insights obtained from stakeholder surveys and interviews that influence decisions made based on findings presented at regular reporting sessions across organizational hierarchies. When making important decisions that will impact the organization as a whole, data literacy empowers those actively involved in analytics teams by empowering them to advocate for strongly evidence-based strategies over intuition alone, and to ask knowledgeable questions about the sources used during analyses. Number 2. Fact-checking skills. Strong fact-checking abilities are essential for ensuring the accuracy and credibility of communications produced across a variety of sectors, including journalism, news stories that are widely shared on public platforms, social media, and corporate communications. This is because automated systems can quickly spread misinformation through poorly vetted outputs generated by algorithms that lack the oversight required to maintain the high standards of integrity expected in professional environments. Using a variety of instruments intended for verification, developing fact-checking skills entails refining the ability to critically assess sources and distinguish between those that spread lies and those that are reliable. Number 1. API integration skills. Application programming interface integration abilities are becoming more and more crucial as companies look for ways to increase productivity and streamline operations by reducing redundancies across all of the processes involved in their operations through the use of interconnected software systems driven by artificial intelligence. Professionals in a variety of fields, including software development and business analysis, can connect disparate applications with ease and share data without the need for manual intervention between them by understanding how API work, for example, integrating CRM platforms' machine learning models. In addition to improving your professional chances, You can help your company successfully navigate the challenges of an AI-driven future by honing these abilities. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe.